Today we are going to be making birthday cards with a birthday cake. Kids, you need a birthday cake for your birthday. You see it? It's a 2-tiered cake. Here's what you need to make your card. You're going to want some colorful construction paper. I'm going to use 3 pieces of paper: scissors, some tape, a ruler is nice if you have one, some markers, crayons, stickers, glitter glue if you'd like. Let's start our project. The first thing you're going to do is take your piece of construction paper. First, we're going to fold our card. And now we are going to measure 2 inches across and then 2 inches up to make the first layer of our birthday cake. So I'm going to take my ruler. I'm gonna go at about 2.5 inches. Now I want 2 lines up from those 2.5 inches to make the first layer of my birthday cake. So I'm going to measure from the bottom part, which is the folded edge. You wanna make sure that you're not measuring from this side. You wanna measure from the folded edge side. And there you can draw a line down and a line down. Connect those lines. Okay, now we have a box that's going to be the first layer of our cake. So you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut these 2 lines. Now once again, we're gonna make sure that is on the folded edge and just these lines. We're not gonna cut that line across the top. That's going to be our fold line. Okay, I'm gonna smooth that down and I'm going to fold this piece up and press it down with my fingers. And I'm going to open it again, and I'm going to open up my card and pop this piece through. I'm going to pull it through, and then that little edge, I'm going to fold this way. So now we have the first layer of our cake. Do you see it? Now, you could leave it there. That could be just a 1-layer cake, but we're going to make another layer to our birthday cake. So here is the tricky part to make the next layer. You see there are 2 edges, 1, 2. I'm just going to do 1 edge that I'm going to cut. So I want to measure from here about 1 inch in and 1 inch up. And about 1 inch. And those 2 little inner dots, that's where I'm going to draw my lines. And we're just going to do the same thing that we did before and make another box on top of our first box. So once again, this is the tricky part. I don't want to cut the whole thing like this. See, I want to just cut this top layer, okay? Just that top layer. So I'm going to hold it out, and I'm going to cut just that top, because now I'm going to fold that part, unfold it, and watch what happens. So I have 1 layer, and now I have 2 layers to my cake. Now again, this could be a building, it could be a ship, it could be whatever you want it to be. We're making birthday cakes. That is a pretty boring birthday cake though, so we have to decorate it. We have to decorate our cake and be cake decorators, but you also have to decorate your cards. You can decorate the outside, you can write happy birthday, you can write it to somebody, and make sure you write from and write your name so they know who this card is from. I already made one. So I'm going to put this one away and use the one I already made. So here is the one that I decorated earlier. And it looks a lot more like a birthday cake. I added some stickers and some balloons, and I made it to Kenny from Page Turner. But there's one thing missing if this is a birthday cake. What do we need? Candles! So I already made a few candles that I decorated and colored in and cut out, and I'm going to stick them on. And you can use some Scotch tape, or I forgot to mention this earlier, you can also use a glue stick, which is what I'm going to use right now. So I'm just gonna throw a few candles on there, And I'm just going to add a little bit of glue stick. I'm actually just gonna glue the bottoms, and I'll show you why. Because we want them to be able to pop up with the rest of our book. All right, so now I'm going to stick them on just this part, the bottom edge. I don't want to stick them on the top there. I'm going to stick them on the bottom edge, and I'm going to have them stick up a little bit, which is why I just want to put the glue on the bottom of my candle. So if I put the glue on top, they would stick down there and it might not pop up. So that's why I'm just gonna stick the glue on the bottom, right above that little part where it's folded. I'm gonna let that part stick up. There we go, there's our birthday cake with our cute birthday candles. So now I want a cover for my birthday card. Now I could just use a regular cover, but I want to put one more piece of paper around, and I'll show you why. So I'm going to take a little piece of purple here, and I'm going to just take a plain piece. This one isn't decorated at all, and it's just going to make my card a little bit stiffer if I use two pieces to make the cover. So I'm going to stick that in, and it also gives you, can you see inside there? Can you see inside? Then you see the purple inside, which is cool. Now you could decorate this side for your card, but I'm going to put one more piece on. So we're just going to tape this on. There we go, and I'm going to put one more piece on just to make it a little bit, give it a little bit more body, because I kind of want it to be a little bit thicker here. So I already made a cover for my birthday card, and I'm going to attach that. So there you go. Happy birthday! Birthday cake, birthday card, pop-up Palooza style. I hope you have fun. I hope you make lots of different cards. Enjoy, experiment, do your own thing, because you guys are now official Storyologists. And remember, when you're a Storyologist and when you create, every day is an adventure. Bye. Hit like and subscribe for more crafts and stories. Whoa!